What's up, XRP holders? This is going to be a quick video. Yesterday I spoke about XRP's performance in the month of July, which has historically always been extremely bullish, and July is going to start in 2 days from now. Now, since most of you are actually long-term investors, I did my research and I came across a statistic that is even more bullish than the one I shared with you yesterday. And what I'm about to share with you in today's quick video reveals exactly what we should expect here in the rest of the year for XRP. So guys, watch this video until the end. I know it's a Sunday, but this is an important one. First, of course, like the video. Can we get this one back above 1,000 likes? I would appreciate that. Let's get into it. So before I actually talk about the most important chart here, let me first of all show you guys that XRP on the monthly time frame is gearing up for a massive move. We have been trading for 6 months within this triangle here on the monthly, and there isn't any space left. So I would say latest end of this month, so today, tomorrow, or a few days into July, we should see finally this massive anticipated breakout here for XRP. So pay attention to that. Also, quick reminder for those of you who missed yesterday's video, I urge all of you to watch it. But here you can see the performance of XRP in July has always been extremely good, going all the way back to 2020. You can see it over here, July, always significant performance. So can we expect another very bullish July? I think there is a very high probability. Now pay attention to this chart, because this is XRP's quarterly time frame. So every candlestick represents 3 months. So from July, August and September, and this price action goes back to 2020. And I came across this statistic and I find it actually super interesting, because if you look at XRP's third quarter here in 2020, plus 91%, then we have 2021 plus 174%, 84%, 120%, and even the third quarter of 2024 is plus 73% performance for XRP measured from low to high. So that is very significant, and that shows you that not just the month of July is most likely going to be bullish for XRP, but actually this entire third quarter of 2025, and the third quarter is about to start in only 2 days from now, guys. So pay very, very close attention. I think there is a high probability, since we are in an uptrend, since we are seeing higher highs, higher lows, that we are going to see a breakout to the upside for XRP, and that July and the third quarter are going to be absolutely fantastic. Now, what I also want to stress here is that if you look at the left-hand side, you can see that the pump from 2024, so which started end of October until December, very significant rally for XRP, was actually very short. You can see that the consolidation phases are, or the corrective phases are always much longer for XRP. The pump phase is always very short, and here also yet again we had a very long, frustrating consolidation phase for XRP, which we are right now about to escape. So yeah, guys, have some kind of an exit strategy. Lock in profits on the way up, because the next pump in crypto and for XRP is most likely not gonna be as long as you hope. So pay very close attention to that, guys. You don't want to be an empty bag holder at the end of the day. So I always suggest to lock in the profits on the way up, but of course not financial advice. And the last thing that I want to show you here is that XRP search volume on the Google Trends indicator. I use this to basically indicate how much retail interest there currently is in the crypto market, and you can actually see that we are down more than 90% since the December highs from last year, which is truly significant. Please understand, guys, that crypto rallies, or a rally for XRP, always starts from off a point where there is basically no interest and where most people are already exited the market, and that is currently exactly what we're seeing here on the right hand side of the chart. You can see that back at the end of October last year we had a similar thing. No retail interest, and all of a sudden XRP exploded to the upside. So pay attention to these metrics. I just wanted to share them with you. And also, if you want to take advantage of this upcoming breakout here, I am already in swing trade positions, and if the price dips a little bit lower in the short term, I'm willing to add more quantity to my position with low leverage to take full advantage of the third quarter here of 2025. So if you want to do that as well, I can highly recommend BTCC or Phemex. The links are down below in the video description. A 10% deposit bonus over on BTCC, which has been around for more than 13 years, and a 20% deposit bonus over on Phemex if you use my link down below. Check it out. That was it, guys, for today's XRP analysis. If this was helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel. I think we are going to see a tremendous third quarter and maybe even fourth quarter as well here of 2025. So diamond hands for now. Also, don't forget to follow me over on my Instagram. The link is down below. You can send in your questions. I'm doing regular Q&A sessions over there. I'm posting XRP content, which I only post on Instagram, not on YouTube or on Twitter. So definitely follow me over there. Link down below. I want to thank you all for watching, for the amazing support, and I see you very soon with another XRP update. Bye bye.